check back in with Lou Norman at Enormous Mobile Specialties for some tech talk.
Got some good tips for us today. Good morning, Lou.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Brianna. In the tease, I said that some vehicle manufacturers are issuing do not drive warnings for their vehicles. Don't be too alarmed. Good news is a lot of these vehicles are about 20 years old. But what's happening is, in these vehicles that have been recalled and people are still driving them, what's happening is that the airbags, yes, still talking about airbags, 50% of these airbags can, when they deploy, they not only deploy the airbag, but they can deploy metal fragments that end up in your face, in your chest. If it doesn't kill you, it's going to injure you for the rest of your life. It's going to be devastating. So that's not good. So we want to make sure that we're not driving these vehicles. Now, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration estimates that there's about 10,000 of these vehicles that are out on the road. And just to give you an example of some things that have happened recently, in June of last year in Florida, there was a driver involved in a minor front-end accident. Airbag deployed, and it killed him. Bowling Green, Kentucky, I think it was this year, a woman was driving a 2002 Honda Accord. She was involved in an accident, and unfortunately, it killed her. Both drivers were issued do not drive warnings from the vehicle manufacturers. In fact, the person in Florida in the 2006 vehicle was issued 100 warnings. That's a lot. So take these things seriously. It's very, very important. Now, we're not picking on any particular vehicle manufacturer because there's about 20 vehicle manufacturers that are involved. And it's about 67 million vehicles have been recalled, but a lot of these airbags have been replaced. The concern is that even though these are older vehicles, maybe you have a grandchild and it's their first car and they're out there driving it around and they're the fourth owner of the vehicle and you're not aware of this dangerous airbag that can seriously kill or injure your grandchild. So it's important that we check the vehicle. Now, the way we're going to do that is you can go to the website for the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. I'm going to give you that website. It is nhtsa.gov/recalls. And you can go on there and input the vehicle information. It can tell you if that vehicle is under any type of recall. You can also call your vehicle dealership. You can give them the vehicle identification number and you can check. Most of these vehicles are between like 2000 and 2010. Doesn't hurt to check and make sure that your vehicle is safe. So I'm Lou, the electronics guy. We work on the electronics of today's cars. We're not going to replace your airbag under recall, but we do work on the airbag systems in vehicles. We do work on, say, remote starts, heated seats, the electrical system in general. Like this vehicle here, we're working on the door inside this vehicle. For more information about what our shop can do for you, check out our website. It's enormous.net. That's www.enormis.net. We'll see what we can do for you. Tom and Brianna, back to you guys in the studio.
All right. Thank you, Lou. Great information.